told you to come and to see me, what happened?
I had something to attend to.
This is my place. I run this place.
For Dr. Patrick, he's quite, I'd like to say, he's a, he's like, he's a very interesting character on set. I'd like to say he portrays the role of somebody that's, takes the opportunity, or like he wants to see things to completion. He's determined to get things on track. However, when he finds the opportunity to I would like to say navigate, or he gets that opportunity. But however, he's really a strong character within the set.
What you can just do is you can just come over to my office, then I'll see what I can do.